Hey everyone, for its budget, Microwear W10 Pro smartwatch is surprisingly powerful, with functions typically found only in more expensive models. The small bezel encircling the vivid AMOLED screen, which guarantees an immersive viewing experience, is one of its most notable features. Convenience is added by the always-on display mode, which makes it simple to quickly scan important information without manually turning on the screen. The M-Active software, which is about 269 megabytes in size, makes it easy to pair the W10 Pro with gadgets like the iPhone. Users may control settings, install extra features, and synchronize notifications with the app. The dynamic island function adds a distinctive visual aspect for alerts, and notifications are managed well. The seamless appearance of WhatsApp messages and other app notifications, for example, shows how well the smartwatch may be integrated with contemporary communication tools. The W10 Pro is available in rose gold, silver, and black, and costs about $30. With a titanium and ceramic case that guarantees longevity while retaining a lightweight feel, the watch's build quality feels high-end for the price. Users can further customize their device by using its replaceable straps, which include third-party Apple Watch strap compatibility. Because the W10 Pro has an NFC module, contactless access card functionality is made possible. Its built-in microphone and speaker also offer voice assistance and Bluetooth calling, which increases its adaptability. Similar to more expensive devices like the Apple Watch, the wristwatch even has functions like noise recognition that warn users in noisy settings. The W10 Pro supports productivity and enjoyment in addition to communication. Basic games like 2048 are supported, and its responsive touchscreen and powerful processing make them run smoothly. With a built-in storage system that guarantees a simple experience, users may easily save local music and photographs directly on the watch. With features like heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and a reminder for women's health tracking is yet another excellent element. It stands out from many competitors in its price range since it has a prayer schedule, which is a noteworthy feature for Muslim consumers. Because of its IP68 water resistance, the W10 Pro may be worn every day, even in wet conditions or while working out. The battery life is sufficient for normal use, and the magnetic charging port adds convenience. All things considered, the Microwear W10 Pro offers an alluring blend of functionality, cost, and design. Although its long-term robustness and post-purchase assistance are still unknown, the watch presents a great deal for consumers on a tight budget looking for a feature-rich wearable. The W10 Pro is a strong competitor in the market for reasonably priced smartwatches, whether it is being used for light work, health tracking, or informal purposes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.